Hello everyone, and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through fixing the PDF preview not working in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. To begin, open File Explorer. Once File Explorer is open, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of the window. Click on these three dots, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the Options item. This will open the Folder Options window. In the Folder Options window, navigate to the View tab. Here, you will need to scroll down through the list of advanced settings. Look for an option labeled Show Preview Handlers in Preview pane. Make sure this option is checked. After checking the box, click on Apply to save the changes, and then click on OK to close the Folder Options window. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.